Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Today I am about to make pressed plantain. You may know it as crushed plantain. This is made similar to fried green plantain, but with a little twist. Let's get right into the video. You may realize that my hands are greasy, and that's because I added a little oil so it can prevent the plantain from staining my hands. After greasing my hands, I started to peel the plantains. There are so many ways to slice the plantains. You do not have to do it this way, but for this video I am going to slice them in 3 parts and then split each part down the middle. At this point, we're going to add a little oil to our pot and leave it to heat up. Once we're done with that, we're going to add a little salt for taste on our plantains. I am now going to add as much pieces to the pot and leave them to fry on both sides. They have gotten this nice golden like color. I am going to remove them and repeat the steps. It is now time to press these. Normally when I'm doing press plantain, I use the skin to press them, but the skin got damaged in the process of peeling, so I got creative and I'm using foil paper. So you can use the skin, foil paper, or dishcloth, but bear in mind that your dishcloth will get a little messy. So I have added one piece of plantain, press and repeat the process until I am through. This is how they should look. Once the oil is hot, you're going to add them and leave them to fry until they are crispy. This is how they look when they're finished. Very, very delicious. If you have reached to this point of the video, I just want you to know that I appreciate your time. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. This is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. Until next time, bye.